welcome to Haviland Auto Body. How can we help you today?
Hi, I'm Karen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
As you can see, my car is destroyed.
I noticed,
It's
yeah.
wrecked.
What happened?
Okay, I was racing my horses for their training. It really helps them, build up their speed.
Of course.
And then they decided to run right in front of my car and kill themselves.
Oh my goodness.
And they wrecked my car.
Oh, yes. Well, I'm sorry to hear about the horses, but
My car is just smashed.
Oh,
The horses,
goodness.
they died, but my car is just ruined.
Well, we will do the best we can to help you.
Yeah, I can't go any longer having my car look this disgusting.
Understandable.
And also my horse's funerals, I need to be able to drive and make it there to see them.
Of course, of course. Well, we'll have this back in tip-top shape in no time.
Thank you so much.
Wow. She was right. That's a lot of damage. But with our high-end techniques, we can have this fixed in no time. With these high-end repair techniques, we can make deep dents like these look like they never even happened. Good as new.
Such a good job. You can't even see all the blood, all the fur that was stuck. It's all cleaned up. It looks beautiful. The duct tape is it almost matches the car. It almost looks normal.
Well, ma'am, I'm happy that you're satisfied with your purchase. Another satisfied customer.
Can you fix this?
It's supposed to look like that.
Oh, thank you. I didn't even know that.
Is horse damage or other various types of damage ruining your day? Come on down to Haviland Auto Body. Hip hip hooray.